Hi guys, Miss Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 3, Lesson 2 and 3. We combine these lessons together. Now, with these lessons, it's about being able to compare the length of objects using comparing words, which is longer than, shorter than, and equal to. So, looking at this, we're going to have some sentences that are going to help us draw a picture. So sometimes we're going to have to imagine and draw objects from our word problem. So our directions are to draw a picture to help us solve the measurement question, circle the words and the last sentence that would make the sentence true. So I'm going to read this measurement question. It says Roxanne is shorter than Christina. Jane is taller than Christina. Roxanne is shorter or taller than Jane. Okay, I'm going to read it again. Roxanne is shorter than Christina. Jane is taller than Christina. Roxanne is shorter than or taller than Jane. Now this time I'm going to read it. I'm going to kind of do some cubes. Roxanne is shorter than Christina. Jane is taller than Christina. Roxanne is shorter than or longer than Jane. So we're going to have to draw a picture to kind of show what's going on in this measurement question. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw an endpoint. Now remember, an endpoint is important. It's where everyone starts off. It's the starting point. Okay, so I'm going to redraw that to make sure it's a little bit straighter. Perfect. So now it says Roxanne is shorter than Christina. So I'm going to draw a picture of Roxanne being shorter than Christina. So I'm going to draw Roxanne. I'll put an R for Roxanne. Then I'm going to draw Christina a little bit taller because remember, Roxanne has to be shorter than Christina. C for Christina. Now the next sentence of this measurement question says Jane is taller than Christina. We have to draw that. So I'm going to draw it to make it look like Jane is taller than Christina. So a J for Jane. Now this last statement says Roxanne is blank is shorter than or taller than Jane. So we have to circle shorter than or taller than, whichever one is true. So we have to look at it. Oh, is Roxanne shorter than or taller than Jane? Oh, we know for sure that Roxanne is shorter than, because you can tell right here that Roxanne is way shorter than Jane. So we would circle shorter than. Alright guys, that's it for this lesson.